Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, DGA Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to make 38 USDT in this site I'm going to be showing you right in this video. So watch this video to the very end so that you don't miss out on any updates I'm going to be dropping. As you can see right here, this person was able to make 108 USDT from this site. This other person was able to make $11,816 from this site, and here you can see 4,374 USD, and also $90,792, and also $11,816, and so on and so forth. So stick with me in this video and I'm going to show you this simple trick. Before we get started, I'll be giving out 7 premium courses worth over 30,000 naira to my subscribers. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that now in order to qualify for this giveaway. To qualify for this giveaway, come down right here and click on the red or white subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe. Click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another video in this channel. Click on the like button and come to the comment section and type how to mine free USDT. All tasks done. Once you do this, I'm going to send the 7 premium courses to you for free. Now click on the share button and share this video to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. I have placed the link of this website in the description of this video. Once you click on that video, it will take you to the registration page. All you have to do is to enter your email address, your password, your security password, then you create an account. Once you create your account, you're going to be given $200 instantly. As you can see right here, this is the one I've been given, but what is here right now cannot be withdrawn. But I'm going to show you a trick that you can use and start getting more bonuses from this website. So to do that, you click on VIP. It will take you to the VIP plans they have on this site. Like the first one here is going to be sold out for 213 USDT. But the trick now here is you are not going to deposit 213 USDT. Why? Because you have been given 200 USDT instant bonus when you registered. So what you'll be depositing now is just 13 USDT to unlock the VIP one. So this VIP one, you'll be getting 2 USDT every single day, and you'll be making a total of 730 USDT in 1 year. Then the VIP 2 plan goes for 266 USDT. You'll be depositing 66 USDT only, and you'll be making 10.8 USDT every single day and 3,942 USDT in 1 year. Then the VIP 3 plan goes for 409 USDT. You're going to be making 36 USDT every single day and a total of 13,140 USDT. You can purchase any one you want to use by going to the home button and you click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you click on this copy address, then head on to your wallet and transfer the amount of USDT that is going to enable you to buy the VIP plan you want to purchase. Remember, you have been given 200 USDT already, so you deposit adding to that one to purchase a miner. Once you transfer the amount to this wallet, it's going to be credited into your account in about 1 to 3 minutes. So once that is done, you're going to see the USDT in your wallet right here. Then once it is done, you click on VIP, then it is going to be unlocked automatically and you'll start earning the profit of the plan you purchased. So there is one task you'll be given once you purchase a miner. To perform that task, you click on mission. Once it takes you to mission, you will see one task right here. All you have to do is to click on one button and the task will be completed successfully. To withdraw, you click on withdrawal, then it will take you to the withdrawal page. Then you enter the amount that you want to withdraw here. Then you enter your address. Once you enter your address, you enter your security password, then you click on confirm. Remember, you can be withdrawing the USDT profit you make daily. As I always say in my videos, invest what you can afford to lose, because I am not a financial advisor. I only try out things, and once they work for me, I'll bring it out for you all to benefit as well. So invest at your own risk. So this is how this website works. If you want to keep seeing our updates, click on the bell icon and select all, so that YouTube is going to notify you whenever I drop another video. Now see you all in our next video. Stay safe and God bless.